is going on? Welcome back to yet another video. How are you doing, guys? I have to figure out how to send my videos to India in order to make these videos very efficient and regular. I'm thinking about it. I'm trying to find out something, but I am not able to do it. You know, I don't know why. Everything is just premium. Or am I poor? ये हेयर स्टाइल का बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा भाई. ऐसा करना है इसको भाई साहब. ओके, आज के लिए चलता देखेंगे. This video is about your service fees and your DS160. How is this supposed to be done? What is the proper way to get it done? No one is going to show you that, but I am going to show it to you very properly. The very first thing you have to do, you have to visit the Sevis website, and then you have to pay the Sevis fees by putting all your details in the Sevis website, and then you have to keep the receipt with you all the time because they might ask you this receipt in the interview, during the interview. And if you are unable to understand all of these things, I am available for you guys to guide you personally throughout this journey, and it will be a very easy ride if you get it done with me, because I have experience and I have done it, and that is how I came here to the United States of America. So I can be a good guide for you guys to show you and let you know what best field is for you and how you can get things done easily. You must also make sure that you have your I-20 handy during the time you are filling this website, because it might be useful during this time. You can go through both of these things in order to fill your service fees. You can also get the payments done online through a credit card. That would be very helpful for you guys, because it's an easy way to get around paying fees and all. Now that you're done with the service payment, the next big thing we have to tackle is the DS160 form, which should be filled very curiously, because anything that you put into this is going on record. Yes, it is happening, and you're gonna do it very peacefully, because you have to concentrate while you're doing all of this stuff, because this is a thing that is going deciding your career and your future. In order to fill this form, you will have to go to the Consular Electronic Application website, where you can fill the form, and make sure you fill every question's answer and save it frequently, because sometimes these sites actually turn to crash. It happens sometimes. It happened with a lot of people that I know, but I'm personally guiding you guys that make sure you save it frequently. They will also be asking for your passport size photo in particular angles, so make sure you fulfill that. You can check that out in the guidance section, and make sure you meet all the requirements that they are asking. That is how they will also accept that application when you fill it. Yeah, it's a very crucial part. That's why be very cautious while you're doing everything that you're doing with this form. But if you need any help while filling out the DS160 form, or you want someone else to fill your DS160 form without any mistakes, so you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp number, which is provided on the screen or in the description. That is the best way to reach me out, and you can let me know what your problem is, what you're facing, and I'll be replying to you within some time as a personal assistance. This is a specific program that is only for selected people who can actually get it. So if you want to be a part of it, you have to text me and go through the requirements, and then we can do something about it. Sometimes filling the DS160 form might feel a bit confusing, and take your time. Let's do it, or you do it however you want to do it, but make sure you fill the right details. In the next video, we will be discussing about how to pay the visa fees, but this video we are going to continue and see how the day goes. This is like the vlog and the guidance both mixed together. Anything can happen in life, you know. That's why we are shooting vlogs and all. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and see more of America with Super Ali. It is said to be that if you are on Devon Street, which is this street right now, if you are on Devon Street, you won't feel like you are away from Hyderabad or India. And that is totally true. I agree to that. So it is not our turn to walk right now. यहाँ पर you can walk, but here we are waiting to walk. This is all new to me, but it is good, you know. Following the rules and regulations, not breaking everything like India. ये सिग्नल खतरनाक है. यहाँ पर जो है every like 4 to 5 hours में 10 या 15 क्लिक्स होते हैं ये कैमरा के थ्रू. You gotta walk now, I guess. Now. नहीं अभी भी नहीं है. और अकबर हाईवे है खावा उसको, और यहाँ पे हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं. अभी नहीं, चाय से पहले पिए थे, फिर से पी नहीं. लेकिन ये किसका है मालूम है ना, ये देखे तो याद आता आप लोग. यहाँ पे फिलहाल है नहीं कोई भी, बट वी आर हियर. क्या है रे कोई चाहिए? चाय तो है, उसके अलावा क्या है, क्या चल रहा है? ऑकवर्ड इंटरेक्शन क्रिएट कर दे रहा हूँ अंदर के लिए. देखने का है मेरे को ब्लॉग्स कैसा करना, क्या करना बोल के डिसाइड करना है. अब मेरे को बोल रहे हैं कि पूरा मतलब लिटरल पूरा ब्लॉग करके डालो, लेकिन आई गेस दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. देखेंगे कैसा होता. डेली ब्लॉग अगर कर रहे हैं तो पूरे को करो, कर नहीं तो मत करो कर रहे हैं. हमारे एडिटर साहब जो ये वीडियो देखने वाले थोड़ी देर में देखेंगे. विल डू इट, विल ट्राई टू डू इट.